Welcome to the 5X Coaching Academy, where you will learn everything about making easy passive income online. My name is Oscar. I'm a full-time nurse in California, and I love side hustles. If you're interested in creating multiple streams of income, then this is the perfect channel for you, so please consider subscribing below. Let's get started. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Bitmex, which is a crypto exchange platform. It's the next generation of Bitcoin trading products, and I'm going to be teaching you how you can make a lot of easy money without even trading. I know, crazy, right? So what is Bitmex? Let's just go over it real quick. It's up to 100 times leverage, trading without expiry dates, industry-leading security, 100% verified customer base. It's the Bitcoin's most advanced trading platform. All you got to do is register for a free account, and you can start making money today. So what do they do? It's for unique products. Bitmex offers up to 100 times leverage on Bitcoin and high leverage on altcoin contracts. They have over $1.15 billion in volume within 24 hours and $1.1 trillion in 365 days, so in 1 year. You can trade XBT, Ethereum, XRP, and tons of different products. It's a peer-to-peer crypto product trading platform. They have a mobile app. It's fairly popular. So how can you make money without trading? Let me teach you right now. It's with affiliate programs, okay? So Bitmex offers an affiliate program, and if you don't know what affiliate programs are, let me teach you right now. Affiliate marketing works by you placing a link on your YouTube videos, Instagram bio, TikTok bio, Snapchat, honestly, anywhere you can place a link on. And whenever someone clicks on your link, you're going to be taken to Bitmex. For example, if you join their affiliate program, you're going to be taken into Bitmex. Once they register for an account and they buy something, for example, you are going to be earning commission. Really simple. You could put your links anywhere. Like I said, on your bio, a lot of YouTubers do it in their description, okay? If you look at Bitmex affiliate program, they're going to be offering you 20% commission for life. Affiliates receive a percentage of total commission paid by the people they have referred, paid in Bitcoin into their Bitmex wallet. Each referral generates affiliate commissions for the lifetime of the account. You're going to get reoccurring commissions. The percentage of commissions they receive depends on the Bitcoin turnover of the account's referrals. So once referred to the site, if a user completes registration within 30 days, the affiliate receives credit for their account, okay? You're going to be making up to 20% in commission, and anyone can sign up for their affiliate program. Now, how can you get paid? Really simple. All you got to do is make cryptocurrency videos, okay? Tons of people are doing it because cryptocurrency is trending like crazy. You can make videos like Altcoin Daily, for example. He gets around 100,000 views per video. BitBoy Crypto also makes tons of videos. He posts 3 times per day. There's tons of people making these cryptocurrency videos because they are making a lot of money. If we look at Altcoin Daily, for example, if we click on his newest video, which was 16 hours ago, he already has 98,000 views. If you scroll down right here, these are his affiliate links, okay? Your customers don't have to pay anything extra. It's the Bitmex is the one that's going to be paying you, okay? So get $10 sign up and buy Bitcoin with Swan, buy Bitcoin with Cash App, sign up for Coinbase and get $10 in free Bitcoin. He's not promoting these softwares, these programs for free. He is getting paid a lot of money, and because he's bringing in a lot of traffic, tons of views on each video, he is making a lot of money. If you look on his channel right now, he is making around 100,000 views per day, and he has a ton of videos. Some views even going up to 240,000, and tons of those people are clicking those links, and he's making 20% lifetime commission if he promotes a product like Bitmex, for example. Now you're saying, oh, YouTube is hard. How can I get more views? Well, you can use something like TubeBuddy. It's free. It's your best friend on the road to YouTube success. It's a free browser extension that's going to help you with advanced keyword research, so you can see what people are searching up on YouTube and see if it's actually a good score out of 100. It's going to help you cut your publishing time in half. Hit the ground running with TubeBuddy's suite of time-saving templates and tools to drastically speed up your publishing times. Rank higher in search results. The higher your rank in YouTube search results, the more money you will get paid. Okay? Get more views and subscribers. Test, tweak, and win the click. Loved by more than 3 million people have used TubeBuddy. Okay? And you could use TubeBuddy to promote your YouTube videos. And then in your YouTube videos, you'll get started with affiliate marketing and promote specific products. But you don't even just have to promote Bitmex. There's tons of different things that you could promote. If you sign up on clickbank.com, they are basically an affiliate network. They're available in over 200 countries. They've been doing this for 20 years and they've paid out over $4 billion. Basically, it's an affiliate marketplace where you can sign up for free. There's over 100,000 people that are in the Clickbank marketplace promoting top performing products, and they get paid on time every single time. It's free to promote. You could also become a seller if you have your own course. But to get started, I suggest becoming an affiliate at first, okay? Once you sign up, you're gonna be taken to their marketplace. In their marketplace, they have tons of different products, from physical products to as seen on TV, betting systems, football, general horse racing, business and investing, for example, commodities, debt, computers, internet, cooking, food, wine, education, fiction, video games, herbal teas, health, fitness, everything, okay? Now, the cool thing with Clickbank is that you can make a lot of money. So for example, if you promote the bots live trading room program, for example, you're gonna be making $3,000 per conversion, per customer. All you gotta do is make a YouTube video in the niche of finance, for example, trading. And whenever someone clicks on that link and actually buys this program, you're gonna be making $3,000. Ty Lopez's program, it's netting around $1,295 per conversion, okay? If you wanna make 100 grand, all you gotta do is refer 100 people, and you don't even need to make any softwares. You don't even need to have 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. All you gotta do is get people to click on your link, and you can make money that way. Microcap Millionaires is offering $748 per conversion. Crypto Swap Profits Mastermind, you're gonna be making $695 whenever someone clicks your link. If you wanna make $2,000 a month, all you gotta do is promote this product, make some cryptocurrency news using TubeBuddy, get 4 people to sign up, boom, 2 grand. If you want something better, you want to do trading, all you gotta do is promote this product. If 1 person buys it, you're gonna be making $3,000. If you want to get started with affiliate marketing, I have a little video down below that's going to take you from point A to point Z and how you can get started today really easily. All you got to do is enter your first name, your email address, and click get instant access, and it's going to take you to a video to get started with affiliate marketing. That is it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Please stay tuned for the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Peace